morning, students. I hope you all are safe and sound at your home. In today's class, we are going to learn what is an oval shape and how oval shape looks like. And also come to know, does this shape have any sides, corners and faces? Now students, look at this picture. This is an oval shape. What is the name of this shape? An oval shape which has no straight sides, no corners. It has one face which can be traced or seen. Okay, tell me, have you seen an egg? This is an egg. Does it resemble a circle? It appears to be a circle, but it is not. It is not a perfect round shape because it is an oval shape which has no straight sides, no corners and one face which can be seen. Have you ever played with rugby ball? It has an oval shape. No straight sides, no corners and one face which can be traced and seen. You might be having an oval shaped mirror. Here is a mirror having an oval shape which has no straight sides, no corners and one face that can be traced or seen. And here we have sweet and juicy fruit, watermelon. Did you know that watermelon has an oval shape, having no straight sides, no corners and one face that can be seen? Another object that we have in an oval shape is jackfruit. Yes, children, jackfruit comes in an oval shape. No straight sides, no corners and one face. And another very common object that you all use while having your meal is spoon. If you look closely, you can see the oval shape in it. Again, no straight sides, no corners and one face. And here is table tennis bat. You might have played with this, but did you notice that it also has an oval shape? No straight sides, no corners and one face. Can you guess any other fruit which comes in an oval shape? Yes, it's pineapple, which comes in an oval shape. No straight sides, no corners and one face. I know a musical instrument which comes in an oval shape, and that's mandolin, which looks like a small guitar having no straight sides, no corners and one face. So students, there are many shapes around you that are oval. Look around yourself for things that are shaped like an egg and make a list of all oval shaped objects and do share with me. Thank you for watching the video. Stay home, stay safe.